Did a bit of testing with the Maxpeedingrods MXR3500 that we got sent at a massive discount for review. It's down there charging a Milwaukee battery at the same time as charging a car battery. Just a touch over 9 amps. With the headlights on. Pretty cool feature if you're running your genset anyway. You may as well connect it to the house battery of your vehicle and enjoy that 9 amps for free off the same generator. Full review video won't be far away, guys. This thing's on eco throttle, it's at idle. Can't wait to run some big stuff off it.